了。
close 了。OK， 下一页 ，next page。OK， 下一页。
那下一页这是 next page。我只是说过 next page。next
page， 这是下一页，对吧？OK。Daddy
Look, some dogs.
Yes.
But look, Peppa said, look. I see something has more colors. Let me see.
Let me see. Whoa.
It's just a kite.
Yeah, it's just a kite.
But where is George?
Where is George? Maybe George is not interested in the unicorn.
I think he want to play
his dinosaur. Yeah.
But
George don't like to play
outside
with unicorn. Yeah.
But look, I see some
plants.
See some
Like,
tree. Tree is
like animals.
Tree is a goose and the dinosaur dragon.
Yes, the tree can be dragon, goose, and dinosaur.
But这些时候这样子能看见妈妈的人。然后
Mommy
Papa. Nope, it's not mommy. It's
Rabbit.
It's
Mrs.
Rabbit.
Yeah, it's Mrs. Rabbit.
But look, Papa said, hey, I see something like a tail. It's like a toy unicorn. Let me see. Oh, it's just a mermaid. But
like
look,
mermaid.
It is pretty or not pretty?
I think it's pretty.
With a shell.
Yeah, her shell.
But look, a rainbow.
Yeah, it's a rainbow.
这些时候呢，咱们能看见3只的 rainbow 了。
Next page.
Yeah.
You need to see next page.
Yeah. Look. 然后就
And then
Peppa Pig said, "Oh, I see something shiny under the rainbow."
Yeah.
It's under the inside
Bush.
of the bush.
Behind the bush. Let's see. Where is it?
Let me go. Can you help me?
Yes, my pleasure.
Look, is
Some
some.
golden coins.
Yeah, but
Some
he said,
treasure. But not
but he
unicorns.
said, "Wow, it's so shiny of the coin.
It's so shiny.
Let me take it under our
Home.
room. Home.
Yeah, yes. Let's go home. It's too late.
Yeah, and 然后这些时候
And
呢
then
，he's the dog inside the
ding dong. It's
and ding dong
his grandpappy comes here.
and Peppa Pig said, "What's inside?"
What's outside? The dog barks. Okay.
And I think Daddy Pig said, "Let me open it."
Okay, open the door.
Look.
Oh, it's Grandpa Pig.
It
With
gave her
Peppa's.
a unicorn toy.
Yeah.
And this is her now.
And then at that time,
Peppa Pig is one to
play.
give a hug with unicorn.
Oh,
Look.
do hug with unicorn. Yeah, I see. Peppa Pig loves.
爸，咱们有一个这个故事。
Yes. We have this.
还有好像没有这个故事。
Are you sure this is this book? You know, this is the.
Header of the books.
Oh, okay, I got it. We have this book, but we don't have.
We have longer this book.
Yeah, we don't have this book. We don't have this book. We don't have this. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think we don't have this book too.
Yeah, we don't have this book either.
But look, I see a ladybug.
Yeah. Ladybug.
How about next?
Okay, let's play next book. We can read another book.
Sorry, it's this my sound.
I see. Don't worry.
Oh, this is great. Look.
Ta-da! Oh, it's number blocks. Let's open it.
Okay.
It's like a envelope.
Look, it's a puzzle.
Yeah, it's number blocks puzzle. There are some number blocks. Let's count them, okay?
Let's do it.
Okay. Do you need my help?
No, I think I can do it.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Peppa's magic story. Okay, it's a touch and feel play book.
Look.
So you can touch and feel it.
It's so fluffy.
Yeah, it's so fluffy. Okay, let's open the book.
Look. He said.
She is Mummy Pig.
No. No, she is. 她是。
Who is she?
奶妈。
奶妈？
奶猪。
Grandpa Pig.
奶猪还是猪奶奶
Grammy Pig.
Yeah.
It's Grammy Pig.
Yeah. But 你跟我讲个故事吧。
Okay. Peppa Pig and George are having a sleepover at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Now, okay, it's Grandma Pig's house. 能猜不一定吗？按这来。
这里太 玩的。
by your foot, on your foot, okay?
Where is it?
There. Not too far, okay? Go over and take it. Yeah, you need to put it into the trash bin. Okay, great, good job. Let's go on. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Grandpa.
I can reach.
Okay, Granny Pig is reading a bedtime story. Look, it's a bedtime story.
I see, but he said
And
once upon a time there has a picture of a girl.
Yeah, so
Is
Peppa.
flying under the sky.
Yeah, Peppa Pig fall asleep and have a good dream. And at the dream,
But he wants to turn to a pretty girl
yeah,
or a mermaid.
yeah,
He need to close her eyes to got a mermaid dream.
yeah. It's a mermaid dream. Yeah, you can touch the shiny wings. Look, it's so shiny. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So shiny. And this is a wand. Magic wand. Yeah, there are so many stars. You can speak English at this moment. Okay.
I can speak Chinese too.
Yeah, but if I speak English, you need to speak English too. Okay.
And
If
you said
Mm.
if you talk English
Speak.
and if you speak Chinese, I will speak Chinese too.
Yes. Good. You're so smart. Okay, next page. Ready?
Look,
Okay.
he want to look. He turned to a mermaid.
Yeah.
And look,
It's,
her tail is so shiny.
Yeah, it's shimmery. It's shimmery tail.
Oh, 爸爸怎么的那个吸
You can press it.
and oh, 爸爸怎么的吸 big 吸 huge book 挑蚊子，这
Yes.
是那个好，这是那个上面的，这是那个问题的时候的跳。
I see. It's finished.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on. Okay. The next story is an underwater adventure. We can read it in the morning. I hope it has a mermaid in it.
He said,
Ta-da.
but he said,
Mm.
I think I turn to
Then,
I want to turn to a mermaid.
yeah.
Grandma Pig said, no, you don't have a tail now. You can close your eyes and got a dream.
Yeah, you can have a mermaid dream. You can be turned into a mermaid at the dream.
看完了。
Now let's touch the tail, okay? Did you touch the tail?
And look, here has a tail.
It's so shimmery. Okay, next page. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Dun-dun. Now Peppa dreams of being a mermaid and a friendly mermaid.
A friendly mermaid.
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
Yeah, look. This is one.
And look, a pufferfish.
Pufferfish. Oh, yes, it's a pufferfish. I see. And there are some seaweed.
Look, her tail is like a shell.
Yeah, I see. Wow, it's a short tail. And she can have some bubbles. She can pop some bubbles. Okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, great. Mermaid Papa. You are little sea unicorn. Okay, you can touch the squishy novel.
It's her skin.
Yeah, it's her skin, squishy. Splash. Okay,
Look,
Josh.
Dad said I want to sleep has a dinosaur dream. But
Yes.
look, dinosaur's skin is bumpy.
Bumpy. Yeah, it's so bumpy. You can touch it for a while and feel the bumpy skin. Roo. The dinosaur said, Roo. Peppa tells George and Mr. Dinosaur a story about big green dragon. Okay, it's a big green dragon. Are you ready?
Last one.
Last page.
And
Night, my long lies.
and he want Peppa Pig want
To
Peppa Pig just want to
soft
have a pretty good dream.
yeah.
And look, it's a worm.
It's so soft.
Yeah.
You can see.
Did you want to make white color skin or black color skin for unicorn?
I think the pink color skin
I
is
don't
better.
think so. I think black.
Black. I think black color skin is ugly. I don't like it.
Okay. Need some pink. Look, the second is
Look.
pink.
Her tail. There are three colors.
And look,
Three colors on her tail. Unicorn.
her
Oh,
horn has 1, 2, 3, 4.
five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors.
5 colors.
And look, it's up and down, up and down.
They are 4 lines.
Look, and this time he
It's over.
He went to sleep and has another dream now.
Yeah, we finished the book.
It's a dinosaur and the fairy.
Fairy. It's soft. Okay,
Yeah.
let's review them. Okay, it's bumpy.
Bump. It's warm. Warm. Bumpy.
Bumpy. Squishy.
Squishy. Squishy again.
Squishy again. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's let me see.
It's
Shimmery.
shiny. It's shiny.
Shiny.
It's
Fluffy.
fluffy.
Okay.
Fluffy.
Great.
但是它都可以粘好像玩的玩具，还有大的玩具呢。
所以呢？
所以它很厉害。
所以妈妈就很厉害，是不是？
对。
哇！
Have a play. This game. No.
Okay.
No.
Oh, you want to play the dolls?
Yeah.
Princess dolls.
Yeah, but I have another doll. It's Hazy.
Okay. Maybe you can play the princesses and I can play my puzzle. I like play my puzzle because I like it.
I don't like it
Why?
because it's too hard and it's too small.
You can practice and
No.
after that you will be better and better to do that.
No, I don't want to practice. I want to play more.
That will be fun.
Sorry.
Okay. Forget it.
他就想睡觉。哎呀，我想睡觉。他就可以在睡。
Oh, what are you doing? Don't like it. What are they doing?
It's looking for the beautiful princess.
Looking for the beautiful princesses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the boy
Boy.
is me.
The princesses are girls.
Ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Here.
Letter ice cream. And
No, don't open it.
okay, don't open. Sorry. These are smaller, tiny umbrella. It's a rainy day.
What kind of board? Yeah. And over. Hello, my beauty.
What did you say?
I want to look up my tail is pretty or not pretty.
I suppose it's so pretty. I like it. It's so adorable. Adorable means it's so cute. I like it so much.
Yeah. Look, the princess got a message to eat. Where?
Did she wake up?
No, it's not over. That's okay.
Have you?
Okay.
Have you? Because I make it fall down. Oh, sorry. Let me help. Try.
好。现在开始打样，来看。
我会看着我。
这个可以。
对，因为它太高了。哇，你真聪明 ，so smart。
He said, "It's so fun, Petty."
Yeah, you're so pretty.
He said, "It's so fun, Petty."
Yeah. She said, "Thank you for dressing me up so pretty."
Oh, he said, "It's so fun to Petty."
Pretty.
Yeah.
Painting.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay, I got it. Painting.
He said, "I want to draw a picture."
Draw a picture, of course. Go ahead.
Peppa Pig George.
Yeah. They are on the chair. We are on the double. Oh. Kitty is on the piece.
He said, I want you to. I want to paint it.
Okay, go ahead. That will be fun.
It's so dirty. I don't need to go to bed. I'm fine.
Okay.
快点！ Okay, a little bit. Not more. Look. Okay, it's fine.
好凉快啊 ！It's so cool。
他说我有鼻涕呀。
啊，他有鼻涕了。
嗯。
他生病了吗？
对，是因为他身上一点。
Don't make it get cold, okay? It's not good. It's not good to get cold.
他说我鼻涕了，我你说不有鼻涕。
好 ，OK。
要看，是我们的太阳呢。She must will be too scary and gonna be confused. Okay.
哎。